Okay, so let's try to use ChatGPT to provide a Python code to unpivot a table in Excel. So now I'm going to copy over this table from Excel into ChatGPT. So now ChatGPT is generating this table. And now try to use a different code to unpivot. So let's see how this works. So let's copy the code and let's open up Python. I use Jupyter Notebook. Let's create a new Python book. Paste the code. Let's see how it runs. Okay, so it created the right table. And now let's go back to ChatGPT to copy the code again. So it's not the right table. Let's go back. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT is going to provide to us. Okay, so let's copy the code. Go back to the Jupyter Notebook. Paste the code. That's right. Yeah, so now it looks good. So another thing we need to do is we should make the year column as the index instead of 1 to 4. So let's do that. Now they want to not 0 to 4 starts with, yeah. So Python usually start with 0, not usually, always the index, not 0 to 4. And okay, so let's see what it will provide this time. Okay, so let's see this time. Copy code. Go back to Jupyter Notebook here. Run the code. Okay, so now we have the table that is unpivoted. Okay, I want to recap what we just did for this task. So first of all, I put this prompt into ChatGPT and then copy paste this table from Excel. So ChatGPT return back this code and then copy paste this code into Python workbook. With this code, the Python produced a table like this, which is correct. And then Python provided a second piece of code. So this code supposedly to unpivot this table. After copy paste, run it in Python, actually produce table like this. So this is not correct. Then I go back to ChatGPT and said, hey, this not table I wanted, and I provided a very specific requirement or meanings of what unpivot means. And then ChatGPT provided this piece of code. So again, copy paste to Python workbook, and then it produced a table like this. So then I told ChatGPT is getting close, but we need to make the year as index not 0 to 4. Then the final code ChatGPT provided is this. So after I copy paste this code into Python workbook, it produced the right table. So um, all this probably took me about 5 minutes to unpivot the table from the way it looked like this to the way it looked like that. So yep, and for next video, I think I will keep building upon on it to use ChatGPT, provide some cool graphs to show some financial analytics to help us to dive deeper into this set of data. Thank you for watching and see you next time.